Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve on your Mac. This method works on both Intel Mac and Apple Silicon Mac, including M1, M2, M3, and newer models. DaVinci Resolve is a professional video editing and color grading software used for video editing, motion graphics, visual effects, and audio post-production. It's widely used by YouTubers, filmmakers, and professional studios around the world. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. Safari, Chrome, or Brave, any browser is fine. In the search bar, type DaVinci Resolve Download and press Enter. Open the official Blackmagic Design download page. I'll also leave the direct link in the video description. Once you're on the page, you should see a big screen that says Start Your Download here. This page asks you to fill out a quick form before downloading. Go ahead and enter your first name, last name, and email. Then enter your phone number. If you have a company name, you can add it, and if not, you can leave company blank. Next, choose your country, then enter your street and city. Depending on your country, you may also need to select your state and enter your zip code. After that, look at the bottom of the page. You'll see a few download buttons like Download Mac OS X, Download Windows, and Download Linux. Since we're on Mac, click Download Mac OS X. Once you click it, the download should start immediately. It may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. When the download finishes, open the installer file. If it's a zip file, double-click it to extract it first. Then launch the DaVinci Resolve installer. A setup window will appear. Click Continue, then click Continue again. Accept the license agreement, then click Install. Enter your Mac security password and click Install Software. Wait for the installation to complete. Click Close, then move to Bin. Once that's done, close the installer window and eject the disk image. Now open Finder. Go to Applications. Open the DaVinci folder and double-click DaVinci Resolve app. If macOS shows a security message, click Open to confirm. The first launch may take a little longer, because Resolve is setting everything up. Once it opens, you're ready to start editing. And that's it. You've successfully installed DaVinci Resolve on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And if you run into any issues, leave a comment below.